Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Victor Graphics guys. So guys, I'm here with another video. But before I jump into that section guys, I did a video on how you can be able to draw Batman using CorelDraw. So guys, I don't know if you guys participated in that tutorial, but if you didn't participate, no problem. But if you participated, I just want you guys to please drop the picture in the comment section below, so that I'm going to be able to review your pictures and react to your picture guys. So guys, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for sharing the video to other people, and also thank my subscribers for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm here with another video, and the video says the use of toolbox, the use of tools in the toolbox. This is a video I made. I'm making this video especially for people who are new to CorelDraw guys. I'm making a video for people who are new to CorelDraw, not the pros in the application guys. So now guys, before we jump into this section of explaining the tools in the toolbox guys, please, I just want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, also like this video guys, and also share this video to people who care about it or people who are new to the app, because this is going to explain all the tools in the toolbox, about 40 something tools in the toolbox guys. Wow, that's huge though. So guys, and also don't forget to smash the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about that guys. So now let's jump into the section guys. Sit down and learn. So first of all, the first tool we are going to talk about here is the pick tool. Now the pick tool is used to select, is used to size, is used to skew, and also rotate objects guys. That's what the pick tool is used for. The second tool we're talking about here is the shape tool. Now this shape tool is used to edit the shape of an object. The shape tool is used to edit the shape of objects guys. Number 3 is called the knife tool. The knife tool. Now this knife tool is used to cut through objects. It's just like a scissors guys. It's used to cut through objects. Number 4 is called the eraser tool. Now this eraser tool is used to remove areas of your drawing. It's just like if you write something on a piece of paper and you want to erase it using an eraser. That is the same way it works on CorelDraw. Number 5 is called the smooth brush. Now this smooth brush is used to distort a vector object by dragging it along its outline, like to create another like shape along its outline. Number 6 is called the roughing brush. Now this roughing brush tool is used to distort the outline of a vector object by dragging it along the outline. It's also similar to the smooth tool guys. Now the number 7 tool we're talking about here is the free transformation tool. This free transformation tool is an object, or is used to transform an object by using the free rotation, the angle rotation, and the scale guys. The free transform tool is used to transform an object by using the free rotation, angle rotation, and the scale. So guys, the 8th tool we're talking about here is called the virtual segment delete tool. Now this virtual segment delete tool is used to delete portions of objects that are between intersection. The virtual segment delete tool is used to delete portions of an object that are between intersection. Number 9 is called the zoom tool. This zoom tool is to change the magnification level in the drawing window. Like if you put a drawing, or if you draw something right now and you want to zoom or to see more of that picture guys, that's what the zoom tool is used for. So guys, the number 10 tool we're talking about here is called the hand tool. This hand tool is used to control which part of the drawing is visible in the drawing window. The hand tool is used to control which part of the drawing is visible in the drawing window. The number 11 tool we're talking about here is called the pen tool guys. That's very popular on the way we drew the Batman video, the last video I did. That's the tool I used, the pen tool. So the pen tool is used to draw curves one segment at a time. The pen tool is used to draw curves and one segment at a time guys. Number 12 is called the polyline tool. The polyline tool is used to draw lines and curves in preview mode. You get it? Number 12 is called the polyline. The polyline tool is used to draw lines and curves in preview mode. Number 13 is called the freehand tool. This freehand tool is used to draw single line, just only a single line, and curves. Number 14 is called the bezier tool. This bezier tool is used to draw curves one segment at a time. Guys, the bezier tool is used to draw curves one segment at a time. Number 15 here is the 3-point curve tool, guys. This 3-point curve tool is used to draw a curve by defining the start, end, and center points. That's what the 3-point curve tool is used for. It's used to draw a curve by defining the start, the end, and center points. So guys, number 16 is called the artistic media tool. This artistic media tool provides access to the brush, the sprayer, the calligraphic, and pressure. The artistic media tool provides access to brush, sprayer, calligraphic, and the pressure. Number 17 tool here is called the dimension tool. This dimension tool is used to draw vertical, horizontal, slanted, or angular dimensional lines. This dimension tool is used to draw vertical lines, horizontal lines, slanted lines, or angular dimension lines. Number 18 tool is called the interactive connector tool. This interactive connector tool is used to join two objects with a line. The interactive connector tool is used to join two objects with a line. Number 19 tool is called the smart drawing tool. This smart drawing tool is used to draw freehand strokes and convert them to basic shapes and smoothed curves. The smart drawing tool is used to draw freehand strokes and convert them to basic shapes and smoothed curves. The 20th tool we are explaining here is called the rectangle tool. This rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and square, guys. That's very easy objects to draw. You're going to see it in two balls, guys. Number 21 tool here is called the 3-point rectangle tool. This 3-point rectangle tool is used to draw a rectangle by dragging to create the rectangle baseline and clicking to define its height. The number 22nd tool here is called the ellipse tool. This ellipse tool is used to draw ellipses and circles. It is mostly used to draw circles, guys. Number 23 tool we're talking about here is called the 3-point ellipse tool. The 3-point ellipse tool. Now this 3-point ellipse tool is used to draw an ellipse by dragging to create the center line of the ellipse and clicking to define its height. It's a very easy tool to use, guys. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, guys. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and also like this video and also share this video to people who really need it. So guys, let's continue to the tutorial here. So number 25 tool is called the polygon tool. Now this polygon tool is used to draw symmetrical polygons and stars, mostly used to draw stars because that is where it falls under. Number 25 is called the spiral tool. The spiral tool is used to draw symmetrical and logarithmic spirals. It's also used to draw symmetrical and logarithmic spirals. So guys, number 26 tool we are explaining here is called the graph paper tool. This graph paper tool is used to draw a grid of lines similar to that on the graph paper. Number 27 tool is called the basic shape tools. This basic shape tools is used to choose from a full set of shapes including hexagram, a smiley face, and a right angle triangle. 28 tool here is called the arrow shapes tool. This arrow shapes tool is used to draw arrows of various shapes, directions, and a number of heads. That's what the arrow tools is used for. The number 29 tool we're talking about here is the flowchart shapes tool. The flowchart shapes tool. The flowchart shapes tool is used to draw flowchart symbol, guys. By now I hope you guys should be able to know what flowchart shapes are, guys. So number 30 tool we're talking about here is the star shapes tool. So guys, this star shapes tool lets you draw ribbon objects and explosion shapes, like an explosion shape, like it's also in a star form, and also you can use it to draw stars. So number 31 tool we're using here is called the callout shapes tool. This callout shapes tool is used to draw callouts and labels, guys. Used to draw callouts and labels. Number 32 tool we're using here is the text tool. This text tool lets you type words directly on the screen as artistic or paragraph text. That's very easy because it helps you, you understand, it helps you type words directly on the screen as artistic or paragraph text. Number 33 tool we're talking about here is the interactive blend tool. This interactive blend tool is used to blend two objects. The interactive blend tool is used to blend two objects or more. Number 34 tool we're talking about here is the interactive contour tool. The interactive contour tool. This lets you apply a contour to an object. Number 35, the interactive distortion tool. This interactive distortion tool is used to apply a push or pull distortion, a zipper distortion, or a twister distortion on an object. That's very easy to use, guys. The number 36 is the interactive envelope tool, guys, or you can call it the envelope tool, the interactive envelope tool. This tool is used to distort an object by dragging the nodes of the envelope. It's used to distort an object by dragging the nodes of the envelope. So number 37 tool we're talking about here is the interactive extrude tool. This interactive extrude tool is used to apply the illustration of depths to objects. The interactive extrude tool is used to apply the illusion of depths to objects. It's used to apply the illusion of depths to objects. Number 38 tool we're talking about here is the interactive drop shadow tool. The interactive drop shadow tool. This interactive drop shadow tool is used to apply a drop shadow to an object. The tool is used to drop shadow to an object. Number 39 tool is called the interactive transparency tool or transparency tool. It's used to apply transparency to an object. Number 40 tool here is called the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool. This eyedropper tool lets you select object properties such as fill, line thickness, size, and effect from an object on the drawing window. Number 41 tool we're talking about here is the paint bucket tool. This paint bucket tool is used to apply objects such as fill, line thickness, size, and effect to an object on the drawing window after selecting these properties using the eyedropper. Number 42, the interactive fill tool. This interactive fill tool is used to apply various fills, guys. Number 43 tool is called the interactive mesh tool. This interactive mesh tool lets you apply a mesh grid to an object. So guys, the last tool here we're talking about is called the fill tool. This fill tool is used to set the fill property, guys. And guys, this is the end of explanation on the tools in the toolbox, guys. So guys, please, if you don't understand any part of this video, maybe if I'm too fast or if you can't learn that way, you can also drop it in the comment section below, and I'm going to do a video just for you. So guys, just drop your complaint in the comment section and I'm going to drop a video for you guys. So guys, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, and also hit the thumbs up button to like my video, and also share this video to a very huge amount of people who really care about graphics, guys. And also, the last but not the least, guys, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to receive a notification that I've dropped a new video, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for being with me, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for turning on the notification bell. You're the best, guys. Bye for now. See you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.